Hello viewers, I'm so much happy to see your smiling faces again. Now we will learn some vocabularies. Before start, if you are not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's start.
回我8点回家。我8点回家。会我会开车。我会开车。几你有几个儿子？你有几个儿子？家我家在北京。我家在北京。叫我的名字叫李明。我的名字叫李明。今天我今天去北京。我今天去北京。九今天是8月9日。今天是8月9日。开我开了3年出租车了。我开了3年出租车了。看你看那本书在桌子上呢。你看那本书在桌子上呢。我在看书呢。我在看书呢。看见我没看见他。我没看见他。
So, this was for today. Practice more and more. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a like. See you in our next video. Bye bye.